Got it. She's going in. Oh, that is so wicked. Daddy has it from Raja.
Oh, the baby's gonna come in.
The baby is going to come in.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, look at her. Look at the size of her head.
That's why. This is the closest I've ever been to an elephant.
It's supposed to show you how deep that water is.
Yes.
How do they not get over there?
That's what that's for.
Can we just step over it?
Not in the water.
Honey, that water's deep right there.
It's shallow. It's just shallow. And it's oh, look at the floater.
Ooh, Turtle Town.
Look how deep that water is.
Yeah, this is just like the one you had with Raja.
You know how rare it is?
Oh, look at the baby going in.
What is that one?
You know how rare this is?
Oh, you know how rare?
Yes, yes.
Hi, buddy.
Oh my gosh.
Lucky number 3. You have to get this.
I got it. I'm recording. I'm recording the 3 of them, Dad.
Oh, here comes another.
No, she's eating. That is so cool.
Oh, he's under the waterfall.
They're all girls, babe.
You know that goes back?
Yes. Raja's the only male.
But I'm talking about the baby.
They're both females. You can't even see the baby. Where is she? Oh, there she is.
So deep.
Oh, look at their heads. Oh, this is so cool. They've got their built-in snorkels in.
We've got a lot of air looking.
Yeah, oh, there.
You know how rare this is?
I'm filming it. Look at them all.
Oh, one just popped up again.
Yeah, somebody's having a problem.
They're relaxing.
Yes.
That's the mama. Oh, they're floaters.
Okay, got it, Liz. Look how cute they are, though.
Oh, there's another one.
Got it, Liz. You don't have to point out the doodles. They're big enough to see them.
Wow, there's pick it up?
Oh, she gets in. That'd be crazy.
It overflows.
Oh, baby's getting out.
What's that?
Oh, maybe not. She. Yeah, she is. Aww. Look how less wrinkled her skin is compared to the others.
Oh my God. She's like pointing at him to go over there.
Nope, I'm not going. Oh, look at it. It's scratching its head with its tongue.
Oh, that's the mom scratching too.
Aww. Oh, that's the baby's.
He's
Are they the cutest down? They're playing. Look, they're playing. The two babies are playing.
Where's the third one?
There he is. Wow, look at the big mama getting out. There they go. Oh, yay. Oh, clap. There we go, Em. Oh, look at the baby going into the waterfall. Oh. That, there he comes. So cute. Oh, Emma, was that the cutest thing in the world? There they go.
How was that going to be